Negas ngi hawakali na umontri rangba ka jylla o Conrad sangma heyato away thaw no jhep na ibenta ka chnong juai da ongu waka sorkar da chem chitom ko wo yo I thaw wo no jhep way haduk katele mpuyo ye thaw kamte da ongu wada de pha ye ki wahe chnong ki wahe dong ga juai wo kerpat ye ki wa chong chnong mto wo no ye jhep kat cho em hapo sor juai we da pha le ye ki wo paj hi kamon wo no ye jhep wa mi na jarjer ki dong ki chnong we ini to I wa khaddu wa pentip cho o so san sngi na chwa heya to we ini ikam dang perchang I wo pen bai no ye ini ikam chipor we wo pen bai pura ye ini ikam da ong u Conrad da penrap uday wo ong wa ini ikam to I wa da chimkhia bha ka sorkar we mani le ikam wa da mat hawaro ki sor ka jylla we daw pen bai no ye ki waro wo pen yo thaw le nei benta gini ki vi ki chnong.
Yeah, so number of meetings have been held. As you're aware that we are having difficulties because of the land. We are not getting an availability of land to dump the garbage. In most areas, we are not getting the kind of land that we need, and in fact, we're not getting land at all. So the local localities and the different headmen have been asked to ask their people to ensure that none of the garbages are dumped in any parts of Jowai. So that process is on, and each one is being asked to see that how they can dispose of the garbage at their own level. That was the latest report that I received about 4-5 days back. So we will continue the process. We will see in the medium term and long term what will be the best way to resolve this issue. But this is a very, very important issue, and we are definitely very concerned about it. We're hopeful that we'll be able to find a better solution to this in the long run. In fact, this is a problem in almost all the major urban areas, and different processes are being and lands are being looked at in different areas also to ensure that we're able to find the dumping area.